Oh, hello there. You are also from Amer?
Yes, I just joined the fleet yesterday. I stopped here because I was tired.
Hey, what's your name? Mine's 5I-I0A or Aphrodite.
5I-I0A or Ben. Nice to meet you, Aphrodite.
You too.
Hey, it's late. Why don't we rest? We can talk about stuff later.
5I-9B, your flight starts in 5 minutes.
Huh? Goodness me, it's 7:55 in the morning.
Yes. Fortunately, we fully prepared for your flight and are detaching the jet bridges. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm 4551. I have to go now. We can meet later back in Mal.
Wishing you a pleasant flight. I'm back.
Where did you go?
I went to Paris. It was so beautiful.
I've been there sometimes as well, even with my giant friend 5IH8E. Hey, why won't you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Oh right. I'm 5I-I0A Aphrodite. I'm in a 350100.